Hey everybody, this is Eric with Adventure Experience, and we are talking about thrill seekers. Is there really such a mentality called thrill seeker, or is that just something people say? No, actually, psychologists actually will say, yes, there is a thrill seeker mentality, absolutely. And they're kind of, yes, they're me, okay, right, me, you, right? We're the guys who look over there and we're like, hey, can we hike to the top of that and like ski down it? Oh yeah, you know what? Let's try, that'd be great. Yeah, okay. Thrill seekers, yes. They like a term more high sensation seeking, okay? So psychologists will not talk about thrill seekers, they'll talk about high sensation seekers. And even then, there's kind of a spectrum, if you will, okay? There's the high sensation seekers that are like, let's go base jumping, right? That sounds fantastic. Then there's the other people who are like, let's go whitewater rafting. That's kind of my thing, right? Let's go zip lining. I don't want to go, hang off the side of a 1,000-foot cliff anytime soon. Thank you very much. Then you got the people who are a little more, kind of just beyond the middle of the spectrum, and they're like, you know what? Let's go to scary movies, right? Let's go to haunted houses and just get the pants scared off us. Right? That's what we do for fun. Scary roller coasters is great, okay? And then you got the people who are not really into any of that. They're still high sensation seeking, but they go even a little bit different direction. You're going to know them as the people who get like they get the really exotic foods, right? They like really colorful, different foods, okay? And I'm not just talking about the people who like get the ghost peppers on them. No. They just like really exotic foods. They like trying different foods. Other people travel. Right, you'll talk to your aunt who's like, 70 years old, and she's over in the south of France doing a bike tour of like, the wine country. It's right. These high sensation seekers doesn't always mean they're jumping out of airplanes and going base jumping. No. Right, high sensation seeking goes in different directions. The key is, if you're watching this podcast, this vlog, and you're into kind of what I'm talking about, you're probably on that spectrum somewhere. That's right, you're on the spectrum as a thrill seeker. Where you are on that spectrum, though, can be totally different, right? And the key here is, don't let someone tell you where you should be on that spectrum, okay? If somebody like me is more like, yeah, let's hang off 1,000-foot cliffs. Okay, if you want to go on a scary roller coaster and bring us with you, that's fine. But now, if we're like doing, crossword puzzles on the scary roller coaster, just because it's scary to you doesn't mean it's necessarily scary to us. So don't be getting on us because we're like, laming up your experience. Corollary, I should never be telling you you're being lame because you're screaming and being all scared on this easy roller coaster. No. The roller coaster is easy to me. It's scary to you. I'm not interested in what's scary to me. I'm interested in you pushing your boundaries. I want to know where your boundary is that goes between thrilling to, this is a little too scary. Are you going up to that boundary? Are you going up that boundary? And as I love to ask, are you going one step further? That's what we're looking for. That's what we're into. Wherever you fall on the thrill seeker spectrum, this is what we're looking for, right? Pushing those boundaries, whatever your boundaries are. I'm not allowed to tell you your boundaries, and please don't disagree and be all crazy on my boundaries, right? Just because I'm perfectly at home hanging off that 1,000-foot cliff doesn't mean you need to come join me. You can just let me and my thrill seeker friends do that, and we'll all have a good time, right? Doing what scares us and feeling alive at the same time. This is Eric with Adventure Experience. We'll continue this conversation in later vlogs. Until then, stay safe, stay well, and adventure on.